आशीष भाई, आशीष।
अरे ये आपका है।
दोनों ही हैं आप
दोनों का ही नाम है। लड़ना मत इधर पे जाके।
आप भी हाँ आप भी दो felicitating these two riders who have done a awesome journey in the lockdown period, and it's very commendable that they went all across India and they have done like every nook and corner of India. So if anybody wants to get any inputs like where to go, whom to meet, these are the two persons whom you should connect. And we riders appreciate their feat, and it was awesome. It was a great experience, and to be honest, like we riders from Bangalore, we are very, very obliged and honored to have a company of riders like you both. So it is great, and keep riding, be safe, and because this is a road safety month, so just be safe on the road, teach others also to be safe, and great, nice, and we are honored. Please appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thanks. So thank you so much for inviting us here, and thank you BCI, thank you Adeshwar. It's Kushal, not Adeshwar. I thought पहले मुझे लगता था इनका नाम आदेश्वर है. So
अच्छा है, आदेश्वर means आदेश्वर. It's very good.
thank you so much for calling us here. It's always pleasure to meet. I think this gathering is happening after what, a 1 year or something. So meeting our fellow riders from other clubs, or I think it's all one. We all are one here. And as he said, it's a safety month, right? So हम लोग तो हमेशा ही safe रहते हैं. So even when we did this ride, we had a couple of things in our mind, because as Mayank said that we did it at the time of pandemic. So the safety was not only just from a gear perspective. The safety was also for our safety and other safety. So we considered all that factor when we did our ride. So after the ride, we become a very, very safe riders, mentally and physically. And we would say that definitely follow all the rules. Definitely follow which is being given to us, because it's for our it's for our safe favor. You also say no. I always talk.
It was lovely to meet biking brotherhood across India.
Yeah.
I think a lot of places we got great help, even to fix the bikes and broke down and we crashed. So thanks to all the biking brotherhood, and I think I was very close. Without them, it would have been almost impossible for us to do the ride. So thank you all, and thank you so much.
Be safe. Thank you.
ये हमें भी देना यार, ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड हो. इसने भी किया है.
संविदा के पास है.
नहीं, मैं आजकल थोड़ा रोड सेफ्टी कमेटी का मेंबर हूँ ना. मैं आजकल ऑल इंडिया रोड सेफ्टी कमेटी का, तो मैं वहाँ पे प्रचार करूँगा. देखो मैं ये सब करवा रहा हूँ. तुम लोगों का भी प्रचार प्रसार होगा. क्या हुआ? नर्वस क्यों हो रहा है? टोपी सीधी करो पहले. टोपी टेढ़ी एक तरफ जा रही है.
क्या है? आशीष पे वापस
नहीं, इनको लो यार, मोजो ट्राइब को भैया. अरे जाओ.
नहीं, मोजो ट्राइब इधर से आएंगे. ये सारे लोग मेरे साथ आएंगे. समीरा भी आएंगी, क्योंकि उस समय ये मार्केटिंग की एडमिन थी. सब इधर से आएंगे. जैकब सर इधर. मयंक आ जाओ इधर से. तुम उस समय IFC में एडमिन थे. आ जाओ.
अब हम कुछ नहीं है.
मार्क्स निकाल लो
यार. मास्क.
आइए जैकब सर
आप इधर आइए ना. इधर तो सारे लोग आएंगे पूरा.
अरे रिकॉर्डिंग कौन करता है?
कैसा होता है ना,
ऐसे
आप आ गया. लेडीज फर्स्ट.
अच्छा, पर वो रिकॉर्ड वाला बुक का है, वो दिखा देंगे ना हम लोग.
हाँ,
वो लेते हैं.
यस.
ठीक है, आप दे दो, उसके बाद हम बता देंगे. उसके बाद हम लोग बता देंगे. ये पहले मंजना में अच्छे से रिकॉर्ड करना है. टीम के पास जाने वाला. अभी मैं तेरे देखा. अच्छा चलो ये काम कर लेते हैं. चलो ये काम करें.
क्या बात है.
हम लोग सबका है. मैं
Thank you.
Thank you. And this is for the, we got a India Book of Record 2021. Yeah, so Plantation Tribe entire few members from the Bangalore team are here. on that point of time, Samira,
Yeah.
she is a Baikarni admin. They are supported for the plantation drive, and Baikarni team every time participated with us.
Yeah,
Then the
that is
Rakshit
true.
from the Mojo
they,
drive,
they gave us motivation. And
Mayank,
Rakshit, yes.
Mayank and Jacob sir from the IRC. So few
Today,
people-
Rishabh is also running from Lucknow.
yeah, he's from Lucknow Mojo. So it's an entire team, Lucknow and Bangalore, even Kashmir to Kanyakumari and Northeast to Rajasthan. Everyone is participated. So this award and this record is belongs to each and every one of us. So that is thing. Rakshit, you want to say something?
So like this was the first kind of event I participated
खा लेते हैं,
in.
hold करो ऐसे सब लोग खा लेते हैं.
हाँ.
Yes. So this is the record.
अरे वो फोटोग्राफर कहाँ गया? भाई साहब इधर से आके ले लो ना, हम लोग भी आ जाए. नहीं तो आप इन्हीं के लिए बैठा लीजिए.
Keep doing
So
good
this
work.
was the best initiative I participated into, and this is what we need to do very often, frequently, because this is how we are giving back something to our motherland, our society, and this is for the generations to come. So please do participate in such drives and do more plantation. I think that is good for everyone. So keep it
Jacob
up.
sir.
Thank you.
Jacob sir, want to say
Plantation is where I got associated with BCI in a big way. So it was an inspiration for all of us. Actually, what happens is we keep on taking various cause rights. Sometimes it is against drugs, against molestation, a lot of things. But this is somewhere we are actually meaningfully giving back to society, and it's for some continuity. We are doing it this year. We are going back again to the same plantation area to see that the plants are growing. And next year we are planting more. So that way we are able to spread this message across geographical locations without any limitations. Now this year we have expanded this drive beyond the borders of India. We've gone to many other countries. I mean, we did it online these days, this time because of Corona. But everybody planted in their own places. We didn't take out a ride, but we continued the same effort. And to further the idea, we are again getting back to the ride. On 7th March, we are restarting our Save Earth ride again. See you all there.
बोल रहे हैं.
समीरा, बैकरनी से बहुत मेहनत किया था. पानी से लाने से लेके सारा कुछ दो बार का इवेंट हुआ था.
So I think the initiative itself, how all of you have said about it, the initiative itself says a lot, because giving back to the society, giving back to the nature is our duty. We can't run away from it saying that we are not doing it, because we are taking so much, so we have to give it back. So I think as a community, as a motorcycle community, or people from other community as well, I've been supporting this whole initiative in a very well manner. And I would say that being a part of the motorcycle community, I think it doesn't matter you are a male or female, but always be there for such initiative. And thank you so much for giving this opportunity to all of us to be part of it.
On this note, I would like to mention one more distinct person's name. He is Mr. Jitendra. So he owns a Green Piston Club in Lucknow, and on this cause only, what he do, he carries seeds,
Okay.
and whenever he is riding, so because carrying saplings every time is not possible. So as a rider, when we are riding and going on a lot of terrains, seed balls, yeah. And he then, wherever he sees some moisture, land and all those things, he just spread those seeds. So that is also for generations to come, that will be helpful. So,
Yeah.
so
We call
close
for
to
the-
Jitendra ji also.
Yeah, there's all participate
Yeah.
in the Save Earth ride.
There are many people who might be considered, who might
If
not
I take
have
a
come out,
names,
but
yes.
they are there. They are the working force. This was like another Quit India movement for us.
It's a
I mean,
vision
like
basically.
quit pollution from
Yes,
India.
yes.
It was kind of that.
Everybody
movement.
has to come out. I think rider community is the
Yeah.
biggest one.
Yeah.
And the way it is growing in India, I mean, they can take it to the next level.
True. I mean, like we should do it more
Yeah,
often.
more
I mean,
often.
like we should promote these things. Actually, that is where like pollution is one thing we have to tackle. I mean, apparently I have started a company in that to do that on a renewable energy company. So I mean, like things like that are getting lot of traction, and it is in the market. It's in the mainstream. So I mean, like the more we contribute to it, the better our country will be. So we all are focused about India in that sense. And truly, as a biking community of India, as a biker of India, I mean, I'm aligned to this thought. So I hope everybody else is as well.
Right, absolutely.
Few words from the.
And actually, I think I got associated with Ashish in around 2017 by his club IRC, and after that we have got opportunities on opportunities to how to serve the community. Actually, first with IRC when we started safe riding gears, at that time in 2017 all the riding groups got aligned towards wearing the safety equipments, and we were happy to actually supply it through Adeshwas. And after that we have always improved, and all our bikers, Ashish bhai, Samira ma'am, Praveen sir, everybody were like too helpful in actually expanding our vision. And today we are also happy that we are indirectly or directly giving it to society. Say Save Earth Ride, the day Ashish bhai told that we are doing the Save Earth Ride, we were like first one like no, we have to go into it, because that was my dream that again India becomes green, and especially Bangalore, which has become from garden city to garbage city, we want it back to garden city. And as a part of Adeshwas, I will never step back if there is anything to be done to the community or society, and we will always be with them, because as biking community, it's a very wide community, spread community. So the things to do in this concept is easier, and 10 hands can make difference, not one. So we are always with them, and hopefully they will always be connected to us, so that we can grow together and make India a better place to live.
One more biker we have from the Bangalore, Lucknow. You are participating in the Save Earth Ride. Come. You take. हम तो बैंगलोर में हम लोगों ने देखा है. लखनऊ में क्या हुआ जहाँ हम नहीं थे? वहाँ मोजो ट्राइब, लखनऊ. So luckily we have a biker from a Lucknow, from a Mozo tribe. So he will share his experience in the Save Earth Ride.
So it's good. It feels great to be a part of such initiative. Like in Lucknow, like Rakshit bhai told, we have Jiten bhai who has started this protection of creation. So any rider who is crossing Lucknow or we are going somewhere, we try to put that seed so that whenever we are riding after like 1 year or 2 years, so we can see your results. So that's a great initiative. That's it.
Thanks. So it's actually the award for the entire community. The biker community, entire India participated in us, not in India. This year in 2020, in the pandemic, we did in Singapore, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, Thailand, Myanmar, South Africa, New Zealand, and these all the countries are participated with us. They are planted saplings on their locations. Even the few countries they organize the ride. Still we are getting queries from the many countries. They want to participate and they want to host the Save Earth Ride on their nation. So 2021 it will going to a very big in a worldwide again. So thanks Adeshwar and Motec to supporting us, and many supporters we have, but today we have a Adeshwar in here. Thanks.
We are our lifeguard in the riding.
Just a second. So Jitendra ji just handed over some stickers to me as you are going on a ride. So this is what his message is: protection of creation.
So Jitendra ji, I want to say to you, this India Book of Records belongs to you as well, because you are also participated in Save Earth Ride, and this year we will make a much bigger, much better. Thank you.
Samira, Ranji. मैं लखनऊ वाले लखनऊ पहचान लो आपस में पहले बात करते हैं.
सलूजा टेंट वाले.
Thank you.
Jacob.
Thank you very much. Now it's time to group photo. सब लोग अपना अपना ट्रॉफी पकड़ लें.
इधर आ जाते टेबल पे मेरा फोटो है ना. That will be like better.
आप आइए.
रिकॉर्ड हो रही है वैसे.
मेरा हक है.
सही बात है. 2-4 ट्रॉफी आपकी है.
वाह. मंजुनाथ भाई के लिए क्लैप. हमारे जब हम सारे क्लब से मिलने जा रहे थे तो एक ही राइडर से
Thank you.
Because you're individual.
Yes.
अभी पता लो फोटो के लिए हम इधर खड़े हुए आगे खड़े
अरे इस पे खड़े होते हैं ना यहाँ पर. यहाँ पे ये ट्रॉफी
नहीं, ये काम करते हैं हम दोनों लोग बैठ जाते हैं. ठीक है.
हाँ, वो भी
और
ठीक है.
बाकी लोग ऐसे पकड़
नहीं
के
नहीं
खड़े हो जाते हैं.
ऐसे करके ऐसे रखो सारा चीजें और पीछे खड़े
हाँ,
हो.
ये भी अच्छा है.
अच्छा, ये भी अच्छा है.
ये कुछ रख दो उसमें टिकाने के लिए होती है. फोटो बोलते क्या.
कोई दे दो. हाँ पीछे फोटो दे दो.
गिर गया. कोई टेंशन नहीं. ये बैग किसका है?
सब लोग इंजेक्ट.
मंजुनाथ भैया जी.
आ जाओ सर आप लोग भी.
आ जाओ ना.
सब लोग
अच्छा.
आ गया वो आपको.
अब थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है.
बड़ी दिक्कत है यार. मास्क नहीं चाहिए. मास्क
आपको ही होगा जैसे ना, बाकी
चाहिए.
हमें तो होगा नहीं.
अब तो जो होगा सो होगा.
आ गई.
आ जाओ सब कैमरे से मिलोगे ना. आइए
चलिए मंजुनाथ. सब लोग अपनी जगह पे खड़े रहेंगे.
नहीं तो आप उनमें से किसी को